Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript arrays. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value. Now let's create our first array. I'm gonna come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna give it a console log, and I'm gonna create a first array which is const cars equals square brackets, and you create an array and the values or items would be within quotes. I'm gonna type in here BMW, comma, Mercedes, under quotes. I always forget adding quotes, and then I'm gonna add in here Honda under quotes, and let me show you cars here in our console. And if you come in here, Chrome browser, and let me drop it down, this is our first array of JavaScript that holds 3 items in it, or 3 values in it, and it starts from 0, 1 and 2. On 0 we have got BMW, on 1 we have got Mercedes, on 2 we have got Honda. Now let's come in here and start accessing arrays. Say if you wanna access any of the item or any of the element of your array, say second element which is Mercedes, just come in here and type square brackets and the index number of the element you want to access. In this case this is 1. Just come in here and type 1, hit save, and we got Mercedes. Or I'm gonna type in here 2, hit save, we got Honda. You can also change an array element just by coming here and type cars square bracket. Say if you want to change 0 element of this array, just come in here and equals under quotes. I'm gonna type in here Toyota. Let's come in here and try to access 0. Notice that in this cars array we have got BMW on the 0 index, but since we have changed 0 index to Toyota, hit save, we got Toyota. In JavaScript you can also create objects or a variable that holds more than one value. That is called object as well, but there is a little difference between objects and arrays. In arrays, both the variables hold elements in key value pair. Say if I come in here and let me show you, hit save, this is our object. Here we have got key and value. The key of our array is 0 and the value of our first element, which is 0, is BMW. So this is key and this is value. What happens in object is you can give a name to your keys. Let's come in here and type, say, const, or let's keep the same object, or let's take the same variable, cars equals right, and here I'm gonna make our first object curly braces, and within curly braces I'm gonna type, say, name colon equals, or let's come in here, name1 equals BMW, comma, name2 colon equals Mercedes, comma, and name3 colon equals Honda. And let's copy this code from here and paste it here. Now if I hit save, has already been declared, let's make it cars. It's safe, and let me maximize our console. We have got two variables, cars and cars. They both holds the same values, but in our first variable, this is array, and you see the key and value pair. If I come in here, you again see the key and value pair. They both are arrays. Alright, I did not copy and paste. Hit save, and now we have got, alright, we have got key and value pairs here as well, but here keys are represented with the string, which is name 1, 2, 3. You can name it however you want. And arrays always hold key value pair, but keys are represented with the numbers. So that's the difference between JavaScript arrays and objects. And there is another tip for you, that in other languages, say PHP, this type of array is called associative arrays, that holds name as keys. And this array, let me delete this object for now. This arrays can hold properties and methods, and you can also add elements to an array just by using push method. Let's come in here and type, right now if I hit save, we have got BMW, Mercedes, Honda in this cars array. Let's come in here and type cars dot push parenthesis, and here I'm gonna add, say, limo. Hit save, and we got limo added to this array. And that was all about JavaScript arrays for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.